Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the BlueStacks 5 into your Windows. So please watch this video and let's go quick into the process. So if you wonder why and how you can download the BlueStacks, then the process is just very easy. Now you just have to bring up any browser, any of your favorite browser like the Firefox, Google Chrome or the Microsoft Edge. Now I'm going to bring up my Edge browser. So I'm just simply going to search for that in the Windows search bar to open it. Then here in the search bar, the process is just the same for your Google Chrome and Firefox browser. In the search bar, type here BlueStacks download and then hit enter. Scroll down and you'll find this download BlueStacks app player on PC, Windows, and Mac. This is from www.bluestacks.com. You just need to simply locate this, and once you have find that, simply click on that. Now you will find here, get the latest BlueStacks version. We are going to download the BlueStacks 5. Now let's click on this See All Versions. So here you will find for the Windows and for the MacOS and also for the Windows, which has different architecture of the Windows. Like if you are in a 32-bit or 64-bit, also for the Mac OS, you can also do that. So this is the BlueStacks 5. Now you just need to simply click on this download BlueStacks. Now the installer file has been downloaded right here. Once the installer file has been downloaded, double click on it and then close the Microsoft Edge browser. Then click on install now. You can also change the path for your BlueStacks. Right here, just click on this button change. I'm going to leave it as it is. So I'm going to click on install now. By continuing, you agree to the BlueStacks term of use. So we have to agree. So I will click on I agree. Now you have just to, or you're just going to wait for this process to be done. This will take minutes, but we are just going to be patient and waiting for this to be fully installed into our Windows. Now this is currently checking for any system requirements, so we just have to wait for this too. So once done, then you will have or you can already enjoy the BlueStacks into your Windows. Now let us confirm first if this is already downloaded into our Windows. Let's see. Let's search for it in the Windows search bar. Type here BlueStacks. And this is the BlueStacks 5, which is the latest version. Now click on it. Now this is currently starting BlueStacks. So here you can now enjoy your BlueStacks application wherein you can search for your favorite games and apps, for your favorite movies, and also there are a lot of features right here that you can use while enjoying the BlueStacks application. So I have shown to you on how you can download and install the BlueStacks, and I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.